Hi guys, so I bought a big container of fresh spinach and I can't use it up in time, so this is what I'm going to use to preserve this. I'm going to take the spinach and I put it in my fruit saver bags, and then I take it to my fruit saver. Excuse me for the loud noise of the dehydrator, but that's actually the noise that it makes. The reason I use a food saver is that it removes most of the air from the produce, therefore not oxidizing the vegetables as fast and saving the freshness. And when the red light goes off, it has sealed the bag. And I didn't take most of the air out because I didn't want to totally squish the spinach, but now that goes into the freezer after I label it. And that will be good for some other time when I need to have spinach.